10 coolest survival gear and gadgets on Amazon. When it comes to survival, having the right gear can mean the difference between life and death. From knives and tomahawks to portable solar chargers and water filters, the right tools ensure you're prepared for anything nature throws your way. Today, we're diving into 10 of the coolest and most practical survival gadgets you can find on Amazon. These items aren't just cool to have, they're essential for anyone serious about survival, outdoor adventures, or just being prepared for the unexpected. So, let's jump into the top survival gear and gadgets that could be your lifesaver in an emergency. Cold steel Kobu knife. When it comes to survival gear, the cold steel Kobu knife is an absolute must-have for anyone who values precision and durability. This fixed-blade knife, known for its razor-sharp edge and excellent build quality, is designed for versatility in the wild. Its compact 5.5-inch blade makes it perfect for everything from preparing food to self-defense. The blade is made from high-carbon steel, ensuring it's tough enough to handle demanding tasks while maintaining sharpness. The Kobu also features a lightweight and ergonomic design, making it easy to carry and handle in various conditions. HX Outdoors Mercenaries Tomahawk. The HX Outdoors Mercenaries Tomahawk is one of the most rugged and versatile survival tools you can own. This heavy-duty tomahawk is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, from chopping wood to breaking through obstacles in a survival scenario. The stainless steel head is both strong and durable, ensuring it can withstand the toughest conditions. With a sleek, tactical design, the tomahawk features a sharp blade for cutting and a spiked end that can be used for prying or self-defense, weighing just the right amounts, not too heavy to carry on long treks, but also substantial enough to get the job done. The ergonomic handle provides a solid grip even when wet, ensuring you have control during high-pressure situations. GoRuck GR1 Backpack. When it comes to tactical backpacks, the GoRuck GR1 is one of the best you can find. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, this backpack is designed with military-grade durability in mind. It's perfect for long-term survival, travel, or outdoor adventures, with its spacious interior and tough exterior that can carry all your essential gear. The GR1 is made from high-quality, water-resistant materials, so your belongings will stay dry even in rough weather. Its sleek, minimalist design means you won't be weighed down by unnecessary compartments, making it ideal for people who prefer a no-grills approach to their pack. The adjustable shoulder straps and padded back ensure comfort even during extended use. Zip Stitch Wound Closure Device. The Zip Stitch Wound Closure Device is a revolutionary survival gadget that should be a part of every emergency kit. Unlike traditional stitches, Zip Stitch uses an advanced adhesive method to quickly close wounds, providing a safe and sterile option when medical help isn't immediately available. It's designed for use in situations where conventional sutures are impractical, and it can be used in both small and large wounds. The device is incredibly easy to use, with a simple yet effective design that ensures the wound is closed without the need for needles. This can be a real lifesaver when you're out in the field and need to prevent infection or stop excessive bleeding. It's compact, lightweight, and offers a clean alternative to dealing with injuries in survival situations. Stoned Goat Knife. The Stoned Goat Knife is a rugged and stylish survival tool that brings functionality and sharpness together in a unique design. This handcrafted knife is built with survivalists in mind, offering a solid and dependable blade that is perfect for both everyday tasks and high-stress situations. Its high-quality stainless steel blade holds a sharp edge and is resistant to corrosion, making it durable in all kinds of weather conditions. The ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, making it easy to handle even in slippery or challenging situations. Whether you're using it to chop, slice, or carve, the Stoned Goat Knife's design ensures that you'll have a reliable tool by your side. Astro AI S8 Portable Car Battery Jump Starter. The Astro AI S8 Portable Car Battery Jump Starter is a compact, powerful device that can save you in an emergency. This jump starter is perfect for survivalists or road trippers who need to ensure that they can get their vehicle running again if the battery dies. With the capacity to jumpstart vehicles with engines up to 7L gasoline or 5.5L diesel, it packs a punch in a small portable size. What makes the S8 stand out is its multifunctionality. It not only works as a jump starter, but also includes a power bank to charge devices like phones and tablets. The included LED flashlight is a practical feature for nighttime use or when you're working in low light conditions. LifeStraw Go Water Filter Bottle. Water is essential for survival, and the LifeStraw Go Water Filter Bottle ensures you have access to clean drinking water wherever you go. This ingenious bottle combines a high-performance water filter with a convenient portable design, making it perfect for backpackers, hikers, or anyone spending time in the wilderness. The LifeStraw filter is capable of removing 99.9% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, providing you with safe, drinkable water from nearly any natural water source. The bottle is lightweight and durable, designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor travel while being easy to carry. It's also incredibly user-friendly. Simply fill it up from a stream or lake, and the filter does the rest. Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System. For those who need a portable and highly efficient water filtration system, the Sawyer Squeeze Water Filtration System is one of the best options available. This lightweight, compact system is ideal for hikers, campers, or emergency preparedness kits. The filter can clean up to 100,000 gallons of water, providing you with long-lasting access to clean, safe drinking water. With a fast-flowing filter, you can fill up your water bottles or hydration packs in seconds, which makes it incredibly efficient during long treks. The system uses a hollow fiber membrane to remove 99% of bacteria and protozoa, ensuring that even untreated water from rivers or lakes is safe to drink. To Blaver Solar Charger Power Bank. The Blaver Solar Charger Power Bank is a must-have for anyone who needs reliable power in remote locations. This portable solar charger combines the best of solar energy with a high-capacity power bank, ensuring that your devices stay charged no matter where you are. Whether you're hiking in the wilderness, traveling, or preparing for emergencies, the Blaver Power Bank provides a sustainable solution for charging your smartphone, GPS device, or other electronics. The device's solar panels allow it to be recharged using the sun, which is especially useful when you're off the grid and don't have access to conventional power sources. The 20,000 mAh battery can charge devices multiple times and features multiple USB ports for simultaneous charging. Kyo Chuang Emergency Mylar Thermal Blankets. Kyo Chuang Emergency Mylar Thermal Blankets are an affordable and essential piece of survival gear, providing an emergency heat source in extreme conditions. These compact, lightweight blankets reflect up to 90% of your body heat, ensuring that you stay warm even in freezing temperatures. The reflective surface traps heat close to your body, which can be life-saving if you get stuck outdoors or experience an unexpected emergency situation. Each blanket is individually packed, making it easy to stash in your backpack or emergency kit without taking up much space. The Mylar material is water-resistant, windproof, and durable, making it perfect for outdoor use in harsh weather. So there you have it, 10 survival gadgets that are sure to up your preparedness game. From portable jump starters to high-quality knives, these tools are perfect for any adventure or emergency situation. If you found something you'd love to add to your gear collection, make sure to check them out on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more survival tips and gear recommendations. Stay prepared, stay safe, and until next time, happy adventuring!